Have you ever wondered about the fascinating birds of prey that rule the night skies of North America? These predators, famous for their noiseless flight, include species such as owls, begin their hunt as the twilight fades. The wilderness serves as home to various raptor species, each with its unique dwelling and breeding habits. Bald eagles feel at home on the cliffs, red-tailed hawks stake their claim in the forest, and the tranquil woods are the preferred habitat horned owls. Some foster a single offspring annually, while others tend to multiple broods. When the full moon shines, the real spectacle begins, presenting our primary protagonists, the great horned owl, the red-tailed hawk, and the bald eagle. Each unveils unique hunting techniques, orchestrating a symphony of nature in motion. Fast and formidable, they ambush their prey, kill. The gentle hum of the wind and the whisper of rustling leaves synchronize with their predatory mastery. Experience the enthralling exhibition of these nocturnal hunters. As the moon ascends, casting a radiant glow upon the terrain, it sets the stage for an elaborate dance of the nighttime raptors. The great horned owls, the sovereigns of the nocturnal territory, exploit their exceptional auditory senses and visibility in the dark. Their noiseless flight, hidden within the silvery shimmer of moonlight, allows them to ambush their unsuspecting prey unnoticed. The red-tailed hawks embody deadly accuracy as evening cloaks to ambush their unsuspecting prey unnoticed. The red-tailed hawks embody deadly accuracy as evening cloaks the world. Predominantly the onset of twilight they spectacle, brimming with vitality as these raptors silently weave their hunting ballet. Each strategy, unique and supremely adapted, unfolds. The great horned owl, red-tailed hawk and majestic bald eagle, known for their nocturnal hunts, keen vision and ecosystem balancing role, are under threat from habitat destruction, climate change, hunting. Enhancing our conservation efforts for these remarkable is not only crucial natures, but also highlights our responsibility towards their protection.